let us now deal with operations on complex numbers, right? So we're gonna deal with adding them, subtracting them. In that case, our key phrase in there, combine similar terms and align similar terms as well, right? Real to real, eye to eye, meaning imaginary to imaginary, right? For FOIL or box method, that's multiplying. Again, as soon as you see an I squared, automatic, change it to -1, right? Well, let's try one of these in here. Let's read the instructions first, all right? Kylie, all right? Numeric, go ahead.
For the following exercises, perform the indicated operation and express the result as a simplified complex number.
Thank you, right? Let's try number 20 for this case, all right? So number 20, it says as follows, okay? Says 20 minus 3i, oops. And then below it, I'm gonna put what? 3 plus 2i, right? Good. So you know what? Okay, see that one, guys, right? The 2 minus 3i on top, right? Below it, I'm gonna put the 3 plus 2i. As you may notice, the reals are aligned vertically, and the i's, imaginary numbers, are aligned vertically as well. All right. Put a bar below them. And again, it says, what's the operation? Rise. What do we need to do? Add or subtract? Subtract, right? Well, let's do that. Subtraction in here, right? Civil eye, what's that gonna be? Very good. Right. And the next one, just focus on the numerical coefficients of the i's, all right? -3 minus 2. Okay. McKinsey, what you got? -3 minus 2.
-1.
Calculator. Take a calculator.
I don't have one.
What you got? -5i. All right, very good. Correct. Questions, guys? Questions, what we did. Once again, in adding or subtracting, real to real, eye to eye, put a bar below, add or subtract. Are we good? Right? Now, let us do with a little bit challenging part, multiplying, right? Let's try to multiply, which one in here? Let's try to multiply number 29, okay? See that one, number 29? Let's put that one in here. 3 plus 4i and 3 minus 4i. Again, foil or box, but this time, let's do box. Good. So typically in here, we're gonna do a 2 by 2 box in here. You good? Right? On top, we're gonna put what? The first one. What's this? What's this? 29, right? On top, I'm gonna put what? 3 plus 4i. You good, right? Is that 3 plus 4i? Right, yeah. And then on the side, I'm gonna put what? 3 minus 4i. You good, guys? Okay. And then once again, we multiply them, right? Okay. So each cell will be the product of its corresponding row and column. Get it? Okay. First of all in here, what do you think will be on the first cell? Okay. Lexani, what do you think in here? 3 times 3. 9. Very good. Right. What about in here? 3 and 4i multiplied together. What will that be? Reagan. 3 times 4i. What it will be? 12i. Very good. What about in here? -12i, very good. Correct, right? And the last one, all right? Anne-Marie, what do you think will be in here, right? -16i squared. Very good, right? -16i squared. Just notice that one. 4 times -4, -16. I times I squared. Are we good? Now, once again, what's our note a while ago? As soon as you see an I squared, automatic, that's -1, right? So you notice this I squared? Yeah. Automatic, that's -1. Multiplied to -16. So that means you're just gonna make this whole thing what? positive 16 instead. Are we good? Get it? And again, similar to what we have in there, combine similar terms, all right? So, how do you combine these together? The real to real, right? What's that? 9 plus 16.
25.
Very good. 25. Thank you, Madeline. Okay, and then I to I. Again, when you say combine similar terms, you're adding them together, right? Oh, Chris, what you got in there? 12i plus negative 12i. They cancel out, right? So basically just 0i, or no need to put it in there, right? So basically your answer is just basically what?